Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we're getting ready for our Overland Expo next month, and one of the things I wanted for the Jeep and I felt was necessary is an awning. You see them on a lot of overlanding vehicles. The issue I had, one, again, we're working with a budget and it's a realistic budget, and two, I don't have all the stuff to put it on. Meaning, I needed either a roof rack or a rooftop tent or some way to mount this to the Jeep. They do have one option you can buy for the Jeeps that mounts to your spare tire, but whenever you mount it and you open your tailgate, you're kind of messing up your awning. So I came up with a different way to do this. All in, less than $40. Let's see how this turns out. So what I came up with all fits in this little bag. This bag was an extra. It cost me an extra, I think, $8 or $9. So I think I'm in 50 bucks. You don't need the bag, but I like this. I've also opted for a couple upgraded tent stakes. Again, not necessary, but well worth the $1 each. I have the table we put in the last video, which provides me with some nice spots to mount the awning legs. Alright, so I got 2 tent stakes that came with the awning. You have your tie-down ropes that come with the awning. What I added that is necessary for this is a carabiner and a piece of rope, and it's 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch rope, nothing really heavy. Let me show you how I got that mounted in there. Okay, just simply take the carabiner, take the rope over the rear roll cage, hook it together, and I just go next to the dome light. There's your first mounting spot right there. Now let's get to the rest of this. Take your awning out. And I have mine folded into a giant triangle. And this is, I think, a 12 by 12. With it folded into a triangle, put your 2 ends together. This is what's the main part to this. You're going to want to feed it up and over your rear hatch glass. Take the 2 pieces and hook it up to that carabiner we just hooked up. Now the first spike I put down, I just do temporarily to hold it in place. So you'll notice right now there is a sag to this, it's a droop. That's not what we want. Let's dress this up some. So there we go. Quick, easy, less than 40 bucks. And it's every bit of 12 foot, maybe even 16. I may have that measurement off. Awning. Comes out about 6-8 feet from the back of the Jeep. Gives you plenty of shade, and you're able to cook and do whatever you need to do off the back of the Jeep. Alright, so this isn't a perfect replacement for a side-mounted ARB or other brand awning that folds up neatly to the side of the vehicle, stays on the vehicle, swings out. They don't have mounts, they don't have braces. You can walk underneath it, they don't need adjustment. Yeah, those are amazing. And at a couple $100 on up, plus the necessity to have a roof rack to mount it to or drill holes in your roof, it's just not an option for a lot of us out there. This gives us an option where we can easily mount something, and when we take it down, it goes back to the whole stealth thing. We don't look like an overlander going down the highway or out when we're driving and parking and doing whatever we're doing. We look like a normal vehicle. Granted, that does take away some of the cool factor. Yes, I do want an awning. Yes, when I do get to the point of upgrading the top to either a rooftop tent or a Ursa Minor, I will be putting a hard mounted awning on the outside. But this is something I'm probably going to keep with me for just general use. Another nice feature with this is I have it folded in half right now, so I can unfold it in half, go the full width or the full square, and take it to a tree and have an even higher, bigger mount. I can droop it to the ground when the sun's going down and use that as a shade to come in. Gives us a lot more options. Once you start doing that, however, the droops that you get with this type of system becomes a lot more evident and a lot more prevalent and more of an issue you have to deal with. So this was my fix for it. Again, I think I'm all in 40-45 bucks. I bought an extra bag to put it in, the carabiner, and upgraded the tent stakes. But this is all stuff I was able to find as a kit at Walmart, believe it or not. And it's just listed as a sunshade awning. And it comes with the tent stakes, it comes with everything. So, or the tent poles. It comes with the tent poles and everything you need. I'd like to thank everybody who's been watching and subscribing. I hope you're enjoying the content and are having a blessed day and a blessed time with your family, with your overlanding rig and your Jeep. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I do have a Patreon page now where I do have additional content, more of up and coming, what's coming up on this channel and my RC channel. If you are interested in remote control cars, rock crawling, that sort of thing, go check out Scott Off-Road RC. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day.